Hey everyone, I'm Only the Macaw, and today we're going to go through a little hike in the woods. We're also going to be replanting my Hokkaido pumpkins, which I, mistakenly planted in one small pot, and I managed to get actually like 5 seedlings to sprout. So they're kind of clogging up all the space. Hold on, let me grab them and see, so you can see what I'm talking about. So, here they are, and they are definitely outgrowing their home. So I need to sort this. They're lovely. They really are. But they're running out of space. But I am running out of soil. So I've come to the conclusion that we need to fix that. But unfortunately, I live pretty far away from my nearest gardening store. So I have an idea to make my own soil using the soil I can find in my local woods.
Oh, dude, look, it's a stanky old bolete just rotten in the back. Ugh. That is hella cool. You don't normally see them that size clustered like that.